Marrakech's heady sights and sounds will dazzle, frazzle and enchant. Marrakech is a city steeped in ancient artistry that continues to thrive, kept alive by the modern craftspeople of the souqs and the contemporary art and design scene of the Ville Nouvelle. As an old imperial capital, Marrakech is home to some beautiful examples of Islamic architecture, most impressively the Ali Ben Youssef Medersa and the Koutoubia minaret. The city also holds on to a heritage of the other religious communities that once helped it become a vibrant caravan town. Stroll between snail vendors, soothsayers, acrobats, and conjurers, musicians and slapstick acting troupes to discover the old city's frenetic pulse. Between tradition and modernity, Marrakech is the promise of unequalled sensations. Marrakech showers its visitors by its splendour and its diversity. You just have to leave the ramparts to be immersed in modern Morocco. The districts of Gueliz and Hivernage offer the most modern infrastructures, luxury boutiques, and international ready-to-wear stores, airy avenues, which all contribute to Marrakech's unique offering.